one of the most difficult places and times to practice humility is with our speech, how we talk. We speak freely because the world around us tells us if you get it out of your heart, it's going to make you feel better. In reality, if you're upset, talking about it more times than not, it's going to make you feel worse. Now, yes, there is a time and a place that you need to talk about things, but not to everybody. Not to anybody. It has to be to specific people. It has to be at specific times. But a lot of the times, the biggest weapon we have of mass destruction is our mouth. Causes us the most amount of damage. The first Bet HaMikdash was destroyed because of Avodah Zarah, Gilui Arayot, and Shfichut Damin. Idol worship. Sex crimes, and murder. But 70 years later, Hashem built the Bet HaMikdash again. Meaning that Am Yisrael did tshuva. 70 years later, we did tshuva, we got the Bet HaMikdash back. Because if we didn't do tshuva, Hashem wouldn't have built the Bet HaMikdash. Second Bet HaMikdash was destroyed, and Hashem hasn't built it for over 2,000 years. For what? What they call baseless hatred. Hating for no reason, hating for the wrong reason, hating more than justified, which the Chachamim explain in different ways. Some say it's hating because of Lashon Hara. Some say it's hating because of lack of rebuke. You see your friend sinning and you don't say anything. But most importantly, the common denominator among all of the Chachamim that discuss this baseless hatred is that it's exercised with our mouth. We cannot control our speech. We say stupid things. We say the wrong things. And we have a very, very difficult time humbling ourselves when we make a mistake and saying, I'm sorry. 2,000 years. 2,000 years. $2,000 we still haven't done tshuva for one thing. Murder, we did tshuva. Rape, we did tshuva. Chilul Shabbat, we did tshuva. Avodah Zarah, we did tshuva. All the things that we did in the first Bet HaMikdash, we did tshuva. 7 years later, Hashem built the Bet HaMikdash. But 2,000 years, we cannot fix our mouth. 2,000 years, we cannot fix our mouth. Imagine. Why? Why can't we fix a few words that come out of our mouth every day? Because it requires humility. Rabbi Yoshua ben Levi says in the Gemara Masechet Megillah, page 18a, slander, saying bad things about anybody, regardless of whether they know Torah a little bit or a lot of it, as long as they're a kosher Jew, saying bad things about them is as if you have violated the entire 5 books of Moses. meaning you have just violated the entire Torah. Kal v'chomer, needless to say, if the person is a mezakeh rabim, if the person is a kosher Jew that knows Torah, if the person is somebody that cares about Hashem's children. More importantly, Rabotai Karim, Rabbi Yoshua ben Levi says that if saying one word was worth a gold coin, say nothing in Shamayim, they'll give you 2 gold coins for that.